Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for your gardening toolkit, the Hourleey Garden Hose Adapter. This brass connector stands out as one of the best female-to-female hose adapters available. Let's explore why it's essential for your gardening needs. First off, this adapter comes in a convenient pack of 2, crafted from solid brass for durability and strength. It features a standard 3/4 inch double female thread, ensuring compatibility with all US garden hoses that have a female end. When compared to other options, the Hourleey Garden Hose Adapter stands out for its solid brass build, which provides superior durability compared to plastic alternatives. Its compatibility with all standard US garden hoses makes it a versatile choice for any household. Users have praised its ease of installation and sturdy build. Many have highlighted how it effectively prevents leaks, which is crucial for maintaining water efficiency in any garden setup. To wrap up, the Hourleey Garden Hose Adapter is a reliable choice for anyone looking to upgrade their gardening equipment. Its solid brass construction, ease of use, and affordability make it a standout product in its category. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast or simply need a dependable hose connector, this product won't disappoint. If you're interested in enhancing your gardening experience, click the link in the description below to get your own Hourleey Garden Hose Adapter today.